When you're joining a Zoom meeting, you'll see a video preview pop-up that prompts you to determine whether you'd like to join the meeting with your video enabled or disabled by default. Simply select the option to join into the meeting using the preference you've selected. Joining and configuring your audio and video within a Zoom meeting is quick and easy. If you see the Join Audio icon in the bottom left-hand corner of your Zoom meeting window toolbar, simply select the icon and select Join with Computer Audio. You'll also notice there is the option to test your speaker and microphone prior to joining the meeting. However, if you're already connected and others are having issues hearing you or you're having difficulty hearing others, navigate to the up caret to the right of the mute and unmute button, where you can test your speaker and microphone on the fly. When you select Test Speaker and Microphone, you'll be presented with a series of steps. Simply follow the prompts by answering yes or no to connect your audio properly. During a Zoom meeting, you can also start or stop your video at any point by selecting the Start Video icon, like this. Simply select Stop Video to stop your video feed from being shared with others. You can also adjust your audio input and output sources on the fly from the up caret as well. And also you can adjust if you have multiple web camera sources, you can adjust your web camera source on the fly also.